Hello from the ByteMock team. We're a team of software professionals looking to educate individuals in the art of acing their software engineering interviews. Our experiences of participating in, learning about, and performing technical software interviews will let us provide you with the best preparation and coaching possible. The three main services we provide are mock interviews, personalized counseling, and resume reviews. Mock interviews are performed by an industry expert who is most familiar with your coding language, your desired position, and aspects of coding questions they want to focus on to improve. This will, of course, be completely confidential and anonymous. Personalized counseling will include around 3 to 4 hours per week of targeted problems being completed, reviewed, and discussed. These problems will hone in on the specific areas they need to improve the most. This will result in you being a complete and well-rounded coder. Lastly, we are happy to provide resume reviews for anybody looking to improve and perfect their resume, so that every recruiter that sees it will be impressed. So how can ByteMock help you? Connect with us via email, social media, or through our website to find out.